magical shape hunt. Do you have a camera? Click this button if you do, and this button if you don't. Nope.
Oh, Knights of the Round Table, I've lost all my jewels in this stream and need your help getting them back in their chests.
Fear not, Fair Mermaid. I, Peg the Bold, and brave Sir Cat will get back your jewels. With Ramon's help, of course.
I'd love to help. Come on, I'll show you what to do. Okay, let's test out the net first. Move the net to the outline to collect the jewel. Great! See? The net moves with you. Now move your mouse slowly to the other side. You got it! Okay, now let's start hunting for shapes.
Will you help me find my jewels that are shaped like this? This is a cylinder. A cylinder is a solid shape that usually looks like a tube with a circle on each end.
All right! All right!
Yeah! Oh! Oh! Yeesh!
That's okay, Cat. Let's pick up the jewels and count them. Okay, now use your mouse to move over the jewels and they'll magically fly up into the chest. You did it! You collected all of the mermaid's jewels that were shaped like a cylinder. Let's see how many jewels we found. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, brave knights. You found all my jewels.
You found a rock for your collection.
You showed such bravery in finding my precious jewels. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Anytime, right, Sir Cat?
You betcha! Whoa!
Oh!
Thanks, Ramon. You were awesome.
I do what I can.